Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing in Bonita National Golf and Country Club. This is 28076 Foxrock Court. It's the Maria floor plan, part of the executive line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. This home, the Maria floor plan, is 4 bedrooms, 3 bath. You get a 2-car garage and over 2,200 square foot. Let's walk inside and take a look here. So tons of upgrades done from this owner. Right here in the entry, he had added this mirror fixture here. And on the right side, as you come into the Maria, you have the 2 guest bedrooms, or guest bedroom and den, depending on how you're looking at utilizing this space. So this is guest bedroom number 1. Now, nice part about this area, this door here pockets, so you can close this off, close this door to the den or 4th bedroom, and then now you have private access to the guest bath, which here you see with granite countertops, the commode, and then the combination tub and shower. This owner did add the glass doors that you see there. And then right past that, you have the 4th bedroom and or den, depending on how you want to utilize the space. There is a closet here, and you do have the double pocketing doors right here as well. So that's something that you can use as a den, flex space, or bedroom. Now we come to the last guest bedroom. And this one has the ensuite bath attached to it, again with the singular sink, the commode. Now we have a shower, and the owner has glass enclosed that there. Right off of this bedroom, you have your laundry space here, full-size washer and dryer, additional cabinetry. You've got the utility sink. And we don't always preview our garages on these homes, but this one has the epoxy flooring. The owner has insulated the garage door. He's added all of the additional shelving that you see here. You get the additional refrigerator. There's also a mini split, so your garage is cooled. And then your air handler has a UV light. So lots of upgrades just alone in the garage. Now when we come out to the main area, you have the dining space, the great room space, and the kitchen. It's a really nice open entertaining area here. Starting with the kitchen, you've got the stainless appliance package, under cabinet lighting. The owner has added the fan and light fixture. You have the tile backsplash, the wall oven and microwave. Here's your walk-in pantry. And then you have your granite topped island overlooking your dining space on the right and your great room space there. They've also added this built-in for your decorations. The built-ins also have additional lights attached to them, which is nice. And then here is where your dining room table would go. And then your living room furniture would round out this area with your TV on the wall where you see the mount. And then you have the custom lighting and fixtures there surrounding your TV. Also, up in the tray ceilings, he's added the wood beams with the recessed lighting. So really attractive space here on this home. Last but not least, on the interior, we have the owner's suite. So really nice size room here with the tray ceiling. You do have the sliders going out to your exterior living spaces. 2 closets, one on the right, more of the coat type closet, and then you have your walk-in closet here on the left. And last but not least, the owner's bath with dual sinks. You've got this huge shower, linen closet, and water closet. Now, last but not least, we're going to take a look at the exterior living spaces on this home. So before we go outside, you'll notice the blinds here on the sliders. Those are electric blinds, really nice touch. And then going outside, you have the outdoor kitchen with the vented hood. You see the screen right here. This is hurricane protection. That's your hurricane screen. But all the windows and doors in this home are hurricane rated as well. and we come across the pool area. So you've got the spa, the pool, and this all overlooks your lake view in the back. Also, privacy screening has been added on each side for additional privacy. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.